Hi there. In this video, we will talk about a slider. A slider is, it looks something like that. And when you slide this from minimum value to maximum value, and let's say it is 10 to say 100, and you can get this value, and we are going to display on a text field, all right, or a label, whichever we can. Maybe we can put it in a label, okay. And as you slide, we are going to take this value. This, what you get from this is a integer value, but label is a string. So you need to convert this integer to a string, so it's called toString, and so we can see it. Okay, that's all it is, very simple. So let's go and add a track. It's called Trackbar in Trackbar in Visual Studio. Let's get that going. If you just go and type there Trackbar, I see that. So I'm just going to extend it, and we are going to see what's the minimum value. You'll see somewhere minimum Trackbar 1. We're going to call it as a Trackbar 1, which is okay. There's a minimum somewhere. Yeah, see, maximum. We said maximum is 100, and minimum, if you see here, we're going to keep it 10 as we spoke, and then we need to get the text field, right? Label, we said label. We're going to get a label, so we're going to put in we're going to display that label, the value in here, okay, value in here. So let label be label 1, it's not a big deal, right? Maybe you want to, okay, here if you double click it, you're going to get the event handler. We need to fill this value. What do you want to do? So we know we are going to display on the label, right? On the label, we are going to display on the label. So let's go back here. So label1 dot text equal to, so we call this a trackbar, right? Trackbar 1 trackbar dot value, and that is an integer. You see that is the integer here. So we don't want integer, we want string. See, this is a string. If you see here, this is string. So you need to convert that to a toString. All right, and that's it. So we'll replace whatever we have. So plus, let's keep it. Oh, I did something. All right, so that's all. So let's go ahead and start implementing it. Start that. If you see here, we have this. So no, see that it'll stop at 100. That's the minimum value. The maximum is 10, right? So what we are going to do is, as we slide, we're going to double the value. For example, let's say double and show it here, right? Very simple, right? We have to just go here, add 20 to the value, plus 20. That's it, right? That's all we did. We're just adding 20 to. The reason I'm adding 20 or any number is, in the project that we are going to do, we are going to get a value from the Trackbar, and we are going to do as an algorithm, do something with it, right? And we are going to take the value that our algorithm calculates, and then we're going to convert into a string. Eventually that's what we're going to do, but I'm just taking this 20 as a dummy. Okay, it's a dummy value. Let's run it. So here you see, here I'm going to add, as you go, 100 plus 20, so it's maximum 30, minimum. See that? So that is a simple demonstration of a Trackbar, how we could use the value and do something. We also know how to set the minimum and the maximum value for this. Okay, minimum and maximum. So we set that. Thank you.